Hi everyone, welcome to Amy Learns to Cook. Thanksgiving is upon us, and this is my favorite holiday for several reasons. I love Thanksgiving because it's pretty much the kickoff to the holiday season. I also love Thanksgiving because it's all about cooking, food, family, and friends. So this year, I've decorated my Thanksgiving Tablescape with some traditional elements, some farmhouse design, as well as a little bit of elegance. So join me as we take a look at my Thanksgiving Tablescape for 2018. So my color scheme this year is black, white, gold, and light green. Here is our place setting. I got these chargers last Christmas from Kirkland's. I actually wanted chargers that were metal or copper because I wanted something that was more not so casual, but I wasn't able to find. The only thing I found was like $100 for chargers, and I wasn't going to pay that much. So I got these. They are made out of plastic, but they're pretty much the best that I could find. This is a plate I've had for a long time. It's from the Fortessa outlet store. I think I paid only a couple bucks for the plates. This gather plate came this year from Pier 1. It was $7.99, and then I got 50% off. It was buy one, get one 50% off. So I thought that was a great deal. So the glassware came from Fortessa. I actually got this as a water glass. I paid 60 cents a piece for these, and they were probably $50–60 for four. The wine glass were $1 a piece. The linens I got from Amazon. The napkins are buffalo check, and the napkin rings were from Pier 1. I'll put a link in the description to the table runner and the napkins. They all came from Amazon. So the candlestick, this is actually a dollar store candle that runs on a battery. The candlestick I got a long time ago at Macy's at Shannon. This little secondary candlestick, I actually got that at the Christmas tree shop. I bought it for springtime, but I never used it, so I just figured I would put it in here because I thought it sort of went with the whole theme of elegance but casual. I have our little pilgrim birds that we got recently at Target. I'm using these little fairy lights. Those are from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description for those. Little pumpkin is my light green color. I got that from World Market several years ago. I believe they're still available. enjoyed my Thanksgiving Tablescape for 2018. I really hope that you have a great Thanksgiving, you're having a great holiday season, and that you are able to get together with friends and family and cook. Because Thanksgiving is the cook's holiday. From both me and Eric, we hope you have a great holiday season. We have a lot of fun stuff coming up in the next couple weeks and into Christmas. And we're looking forward to spending it with you. Thanks for all your support and have a great Thanksgiving.